It's time again for Fishing Tales with Mike Sakamoto.
I'm off to catch my fishing tails. Hang 'em up high with a silver nail. Gonna bring back another fishing tale, so I can tell everybody my big, big fishing tale.
Hi, I'm Mike Sakamoto, and thanks for joining me on Fishing Tales. On today's program, I'm going to be hopping on board Aloha Island Air and heading for the island of Lanai. Once there, I'm going to hop on board the 31-foot carro named the Kuakoa with Captain Steve Schultz, Bobby Nii, and James Capt. We're going to be casting surface plugs and catching some big Papio. It's going to be a great show, so don't go away. We'll be right back with the Kuakoa
Fishing Tales.
Set up gray bag. How's it, Steve?
Hey, Mike.
So, wow, we sure lucked out on a nice day.
You picked a great day, especially to work this side of Lanai. This is Kamiiki, and it's where Lanai and Lahaina is the closest.
Okay.
We're going to work about 20 feet of water.
Okay. And just cast some plugs.
Sounds good to me.
Alrighty, we almost there, right?
Yeah, getting close.
Okay, I'll go tell the guys. Well, we sure lucked out with a nice day, Bob.
Oh, awesome day. Awesome, totally.
So I'm gonna, we're just about here, so I'm gonna start off with this pencil popper, maybe switch over to a Polaris jib lure. But all we gotta do over here is pretty much, it's a real low sloping bottom, but the fish are right in the area. So we just make a cast, retrieve, pop them along, and hope for the best.
All right, all right.
Okay?
I got
I'll
my
be in the
pulley
back.
tied on.
You guys get to step here.
Okay.
Okay?
So I got that one for you.
Oh, there it is! Oh, got it!
All right, Mike.
Oh,
Go, Mike.
yes, Woo! Okay. Come on, James Capt. Come on, get going. You gotta get your stuff in the water.
Okay.
Fish biting, fish biting.
Okay.
Yeah. Boy, he was right there in the shallows. There we go. Omilu. There we go. Boy, amazing. He hit the... I'm gonna try to lift him up. There we go.
Good on. All right, huh?
Hey.
Nice one, huh?
Yeah.
Look like mine, huh?
Look like yours. Yes, sir. Okay. I'll go let him go. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Good on, huh?
Right on here. Get some slime there. Come on, man.
Hook up! I got him! I got him!
Oh, Bobby got one.
Hey, Bobby, right on, man.
Get him, Bob! Okay, Bobby, I'm coming up. Hang on. I'll crank this up.
Okay.
Coming up, Bob.
Coming up, coming up.
All right. Oh, I heard Steve yell, man. Must be a good size one.
Not too bad.
Okay, we got double line. No, we didn't bring his on net.
Your
You
kind
got
of
a
net?
net? Oh, I think
Give
we
a
don't need
net.
him for now. Maybe next one.
Okay.
Okay, you going backwards.
Yeah. Coming up.
Coming up.
There we go.
Don't need a net. Maybe we need a net.
Nah,
Hey,
go right
okay,
there.
lures
Just grab the
inside.
line.
Yeah, swing up. Gently now, gently. Hey!
Alright.
Alright, man, shit!
Good on,
Right on.
Right on.
Hey, Steve, you want to keep one, right?
What's that?
You want to keep one about this size? Bigger?
Dinner. Oh, big pan you got, huh?
Okay, at least we'll keep one. The rest we'll let go. Okay, Bob, right
Hey,
on.
right on, right on.
You the man.
Next.
Hey. I can fish up here next to you.
Sure. But, Mike,
What?
you gotta cast that way.
Oh, wow. Come on.
Hook up.
Okay, Bobby, go get him. Right on.
Yeah.
They will need a net.
I don't know. I don't think so.
No need. Oh, I don't know.
Well, we shall see.
Good bite, Bobby. Right
Oh,
on.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, Omilu. You can swing them up.
Yeah. No.
Oh, a little bit too big. Net him.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, coming.
Yeah. Too big to swing up. Okay. All right.
All right.
You bad.
Nice one.
You the man. Oh, grunting. Okay. Watch out, don't get hooked. Try. Gently. Gently. Come on.
Okay, got him.
We just cut the net. Oh, you saw his face. Don't cut the net. Okay. Why don't you let that one go?
Yeah, I will.
This side.
Good one, man.
Bobby, you deadly today.
I know.
All right, one for the fish gods.
Get on, man.
I think we should cut the net, really. Tangle all again.
There we go.
Hey, we're right on, Mr. Nii.
All right,
Yes,
man. All right,
you're
good
There
on,
you
good
go.
on. Top shape.
There you go.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
you're welcome. I want to catch one now.
Hook up.
All right, man. Shoot.
Hey,
Oh,
Jay.
this is awesome. Cute one, cute one.
The net's up there.
No need.
Oh. Right there. Good one. Oh, it's at least what? Ulu that.
This is what I call pan size.
It's a good one, bro.
Oh, he got hooked all over the place, this poor guy.
Yeah.
There you go. Small kind, cute kind.
Good one, Bob.
It's alright. Excitement.
Whoa, there we go. There we go.
Alright, Mike.
Yeah, you can grab the net, Bobby.
Right on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that lure went like 2 inches and he hit him.
Oh, nah.
I think I conked him on the head, I think. Yeah. You were sleeping. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Whoa, going that way, going that way.
See that purple?
Oh, I just changed over to this lure, boss.
Huh?
I just changed over to this lure. Is that pencil popper?
Okay, bring him.
Yeah, I changed. Dirty guy. Trying to scare my fish.
Oh,
Hey,
color,
nice
color.
and blue down there.
Oh, right.
Good size one. Oh, he really cranked it. Here we go. Wah! Hook up over there. Hook up. Hook up.
All right.
Oh, James.
Go get him, James. Come on, Mike, let's land this guy.
Come on, James. Get
All right,
him.
James.
Let him run. Let him run. Let him run, James. Okay, coming in. Coming to you, Bobby.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah. All right.
Oh, boy. Now, this is what you call fishing.
And a boy, Mike.
Should I unhook this one? James hooked up it.
Okay.
Here you go. Yeah.
He came to look at the lure and got hooked.
Hook him to the face. Ah! Oh, got myself. Oh, forget to hook out my finger. Ah.
We're catching fish, not human.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna let this one go.
Either way.
Okay.
Come in, James.
Hey, James,
No,
right on.
Kinda
man.
close. You seen him come up?
Yeah.
Woo!
You
Nice.
even hit him 3 times.
Oh, no! Oh.
Hey, go let Bobby fight him.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
As if he would let you fight him.
Oh, that's a good
Oh,
size
it's a
one,
big
man.
one.
All right, James. Are we almost up? You can step
I
over
don't
me
see
if
Bobby
you have
splashing
to.
the water like he did with the other fish, man.
Woo!
Woo, big one.
All right.
Give him some slack, cow. Okay. He wanted to go under the boat. Yeah. Wow.
All right, James, right on, man. Good
Oh,
on.
my God.
Top shape.
Hey, right on.
Good net.
Oh, let's see that.
Oh. Wait, let me get my
Oh boy, it's a big one. Well, this place is holding fish right now.
Oh, I had 2, you know, same
2.
size.
You want cooler material?
Shoot.
Okay.
But you guys was ignoring me, huh?
Well, that's the way you the guess. That's why.
Nah, that's how I like it. No more the pressure.
Yeah. Okay. Did your lure? Go back to fishing now.
Okay.
Get some more. Oh, that's
Oh,
easy
that's a
fight.
big
Easy
one,
fight.
man. Right on.
Now, if you give him the scale, then he's gonna have to tell the truth.
Then there's no fishing tails.
18 at least, huh?
18. Oh yeah.
All right, look at this beautiful blue.
Nice one. 2 of them.
Nice
Good one. Good one.
Let him go.
Hey.
No, he says. Oh wow. You make me let mine go. I'm gonna take him in the back. Okay.
Thanks.
Right on, James.
Yeah, mahalo.
Hey, no problem. All right, nice catch, Bob. Well, you've been beating up the lures today.
Hey, they're very cooperative today. Unreal.
Now, I noticed
It's
your
so much
retreat
fun.
pattern a little bit different from most people.
Yeah, I guess so. I tend to pop. These are so-called popping lures, so I tend to pop them real hard. Keep the pole tip close to the water so the lure doesn't fly out when you jerk on it. But it makes a real big noise. Apparently the Papio likes it.
I guess so. So you kind of pop, pause, pop, pause.
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
pretty
It's a slight
deadly,
pause because sometimes when you pause, you miss. The fish nail a lure, you jerk and
Oh.
it misses, but percentages are in your favor normally.
All right, I'm going back in the cockpit side and try that.
Right. Hook up! Oh, hook up!
Oh, there you go. Right on, man. Oh, the golden arm. You the man.
See, James, you should have taken the pulpit. Okay.
Go.
Yeah.
Come over here, Cass. I get the net. Okay, I got the net. Good size one.
Not bad.
Oh, nice one. Nice one.
Ready to come up.
Ready? I'm here with the net. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. Oh.
Wait a sec.
Where did he go? Where did he go, Bob? Here, Bob. Right there. Right there. Oh, come on, Bob. I don't net ready. That was dirty, no? Yes. Oh man. Me man. You have to. You get. You know, this is your quota already. You know. Boy, he's slamming these lures, huh?
Yeah.
Ano pa?
Go, hook up over there.
All right, James. Yeah. Woo!
Let him go, Bob.
Yeah. Okay, fishing.
Thank you, fish.
Thank you, fish. Thank you, Mike. Yes. Let's go help James.
Yeah. Go, James. Get him coming. Okay, I get the net.
Thanks for
Net
giving me
ready,
the
net.
You're like one ugly fish, lah.
Never going to rock it.
Bugger's still pulling.
Okay, he
now
coming
he's
back
staying
in.
on rock, I think.
Take your time, take your time. I'm going to go take a look at him. Okay, if we go over on man, make sure you put the rod way down in the water. Don't be scared.
Okay.
If you get on ledge on that sand,
Yeah.
oh, came off.
Yeah, he's
Clear.
Off. Oh no, he came off.
Oh, we lost the fish.
Ah, James, what you doing?
Next time. Check the leader.
Where's my lure? Okay. Where's my lure? Hook up! Oh, big one!
Oh, all right, Bobby. Right behind you.
It's not to have something, man.
Right on, James. You go down him, James.
Okay.
Just put the net in the water. Let Bobby bring the net, the fish to you.
Okay.
Terrific, Bobby.
Right on, Bob.
Oh man. That's our way, Bobby. Get on. Yeah, James is the man with the magic net.
Oh, look like at least half pound.
maybe a half pound.
Maybe.
No, it's Steve's pen size.
Luau pan.
Don't try net him, man. I'll bring it to you.
Guess which way he's going?
Go to the other side now.
Bobby, making me walk.
Oh, nice one, Bob.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Good size though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is at least half pound.
Yeah. If you're lucky. He's taking you back out into deeper water. Steve taking you back out into deeper water.
Good.
You know, getting back in the rocks.
There, the leader.
Double lines up.
Yeah.
And guess where he's going again?
Hitting me in the front, not the back.
Oh, look at that blue, man.
Oh.
Nice, huh? Woo, baby.
Oh, yeah.
What's that, the black pili?
Yeah.
Okay, Steve, neutral, right? Neutral, please. Oh, went to the other side now.
Wait. I think I got him under control.
Put him in the water. Put him in the water, net way down. Way down. Okay, let him bring him to you. Okay, right on. You gotta go net school like this. Oh,
Yeah. A good net man. Right on.
Yes, right on, man.
Hey, you're sweating a little bit. You're sweating a little bit.
All right.
That's a nice one. Look how fat.
Oh, baby. That's the kind been biting, eh? Try to get him.
Almost got a big one.
Oh boy.
There you go. Here, let me get him.
Throw him back over the side.
Almost kissed the pup.
Yeah.
Oh, he talking.
Boy, Bobby. He's grunting. Oh, look at the blue on this guy.
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Really? Okay, 1, 2,
Let him
3.
swim. Yeah.
Wow.
Adios, muchacho.
There he goes.
Cruising.
Oh, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Next time, go get bigger, man.
Way to go, Bob.
Okay.
Oh, good on.
Good catch, Bob.
Catch 1, 2 now.
Yeah.
Mood.
More.
More.
Well, we landed some great fish. I'd like to take this time to say special thanks to Captain Steve Schultz, Bobby Nii, and James Capt for fishing with me. I had a terrific time. Well, hope to see you again next week for another Fishing Tale.